So the unfolded protein response is the cell's reaction to having proteins that need to be folded, accumulate in a unfinished fashion. They need attention by molecular machinery, and the unfolded protein response senses this need and then responds accordingly to increase the protein folding capacity of the cell. It uses an amazing mechanism, or a set of amazing mechanisms, many of them unprecedented in the cell and very unique in the way it transmits the information from one organelle where the accumulated unfolded proteins send the signal to then appropriate changes in the gene expression program in the cell. So cancer cells have an intrinsic problem in that they're genomically unstable. They make many unfolded proteins that cannot assemble correctly, that need to be tended to. And the unfolded protein response now provides an inappropriate cytoprotection to these cells, and that keeps them alive, despite the fact that normally this response would be programmed for them to kill themselves. And in that respect, inhibiting that response would take away that inappropriate growth advantage and allow us to affect cancer cells very selectively in treating the disease in a very broad scope. So it's issues that are attaching to all cancer cells of many different diseases. But how long it will take to develop that, we will see. We have the basic principles of the system. We understand that inhibiting these components will be beneficial. And now we need to develop appropriate medicines as drugs and treatments that are non-toxic and not harmful to the affected individuals. This is the task of translating basic discovery and establishing of principles into applications so that they can help in the clinical setting.